Bought this engine, small block Chevy. Everyone I buy, I treat them as a 305 until I know otherwise. Now, as we all know, on Marketplace, they're all sold with the spare rebuild kit in it. And they're all sold as a 350 4-bolt main out of a Corvette built by whatever race car builder is in your location. But we do learn that's rarely fact. What we need to do, I look at it as it's a 305 until I know otherwise. This block on the back here, it does have the casting 397-0010. We know they can be a 350, 327, 302. Very doubtful it's a 302. 327, probably not. It's got smog heads on it. Nothing's really indicating it's an old engine. My guess it's a 350. First, let's see, is it 2-bolt main or 4-bolt? Let's have a look. As messy as it is, you've got to drop the oil pan. Let's count the bolts. Is this a 2-bolt or 4-bolt? Let's take a look. With the pan off, we can confirm it's a 2-bolt main. Now that we've confirmed it's a 2-bolt main, so it's a 397-0010 2-bolt main, probably a 350. We're going to look a little further. We're going to decipher this. The casting number on the back of the block gives some good information, but this here gives more information and better information, narrows things down. My understanding, these numbers here relate to the VIN code of the vehicle this came from, which I don't have. But we can get some good information from this. K means the assembly plant was St. Catharines, Ontario. 0204, that would be second month, 24th day, so February 24th. CMJ narrows things down greatly for us. When I look up a table, it indicates 1974 full-size car with a 4-barrel carburetor, 350. So now we know we've got a 350 out of probably a 74 full-size car. I'm happy with the motor. It's not a 305. Thanks for watching.